Hey, pay attention. Here at LTB Lighting, we do not eat what we do not kill. We do not eat what we did not kill. We do not eat what we did not kill because we need it. What we did not kill, with truth in our hands and with light in our hands. We do not eat what we did not kill. You will understand in a minute. Welcome to this episode, Matt leading the way. Today being the 218th day in our Matt journey. It's not been easy. We have been doing it from the first day. Today is your first day of hearing our voice or seeing us. We say thank you so much. LTB partner member, Coach Emen, worldwide, globally, reaching you live. Something great and phenomenal is happening in our world. Our world can never be the same again. You see, when you come here, you can never be the same again. We let Matt now begin to. You see, yesterday when you didn't know, you can be able to go and sleep comfortably. But today, with Matt here in our world today, giving you a better choice. You see, when you come out to go and beg your fellow man, or God, or any dog, or anybody, anything, which you can be able to provide for yourself, it's a shame on you. What did we say? You have two eyes, and you are begging from somebody who has two eyes like you. You have two hands, and you're begging from somebody who has two hands like you. You have two legs, and you're begging from somebody who has two legs. It's a shame on you, and pity on you when you are listening to this very word, and you let somebody distract you from knowing that this is the truth, because the truth is inboard, embedded in us. A call, a clarion call, a herald call to return back to your truth and to your roots. If that sounds like evil to you, then something is fundamentally wrong, either in your past or in your present life. Be very, very careful. LTB Lighting, we do not kill what we do not eat, what we will not eat for fun, in vanity. So when you see a tiger going after a deer or an antelope, if it doesn't need it, there's no reason for it to go in pursuit of it. If our people does not need the wealth, to rise out of, there's no reason for us to be going after it. We need it. We need it to begin to use it to build our hospitals. We need it to begin to build our schools. We need it to begin to pave our roads. So we do not kill what we do not eat. And we do not eat what we did not kill. Believe in your sweats. You have to do the work. Right now, we are doing the work. Let's make this very, very clear. There's something that is unique about this very what you're watching right now. What you're watching right now is worth $1 million in your hands. You can use this together with your testimony. You can use it to build an empire for yourself and your children and for your generations. This is very unique. Every other business that you have tried that has failed, one thing is lacking, and that is marketing. And remember, here when you come here, 3 things is given to you. Either you become an inventor, you invent it. Your inner eyes is woken to see that talent running in your vein, to see that potential running in your veins, and you begin to see it, that next herb that is going to heal that next sickness that can make you a millionaire. An inventor. Under the enlightened mode, you can be able to do it. Or you become, under the enlightened mode, or you become an investor, one who takes the seed here and plants it, and it begins to grow even taller. That swallows. You see, when Moses had this very staff in his hands, he transformed it into a serpent. It didn't end there. He transformed this very serpent into what? Back into a staff, into a command. That is what you're getting here. And more than that, you see, the enemies, they did it. They also did it. They transformed their own staff also into. But this is what happened. Moses' staff, the serpent it became, swallowed their own up. To show you that this is real. So if you have been wallowing in darkness, it's time for you to begin to teach your young people that it's time to leave that very mode where they are subdued, because they do not have that same knowledge, or the knowledge that Moses have. Begin to use it to the best of your ability, to the best of your potential as a marketer to do it. So what is lacking in the businesses that has failed is that the marketing strategy that they used did not include you. It did not include you in any way. The degree of thought that we put in, we buried inside producing what we produced, included you. We would feed you today, we'll feed you tomorrow, we'll feed your generations. Even when you're long gone, your work will continue to pay you. Be here, you belong here. So stay connected, remain connected to your roots. You see, when you're connected with your roots, you grow and bear fruits that will feed your own generation. When you are connected to the truth, you will not die. You will not face the plagues. You will not face peril. You will not face the problems that is today devastating our world. Thank you so much for being here. We've done noble to this very 218th day, and we hope you will be here tomorrow being 219th day. Remember, it's Coach MM presiding and leading the way. Okay, Matt leading ahead. Okay, and 1001 day will be here. Come rain, come sunshine. Thank you.